How to contact Amazon customer service. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video we will learn how we can contact Amazon customer service. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Amazon application, make sure that you're signed in. So once you land on your home page, navigate to menu bar or the three-line icon from the menu bar at the bottom there. Now head over to customer. Tap on the customer option and that's gonna take you to the customer service page. Here you have to scroll down and you have to select your issue type. If you have any problem with all or with some of this issue here, you could head over it and then tap on it. But if you need some more help, tap on I need more help, and here you have two options. You could tap on chat with us to start a live chat, or you could also request a phone call now if it's available. If you prefer call, tap on request call, but if you prefer going through the chat, tap on the first option that says start chatting now. So that's it. That's how you can contact Amazon customer service, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.